Hey there, CPS principals and assistant principals. I am going to show you how you can add or subscribe to a Google Calendar that exists, but you may not be the owner of it. I'm going to show you how you can add that. So it's fairly simple. You come to this main page for your Google Calendar, and you want to make sure that you come down here to this plus sign and you click it. Then you're going to click on where it says subscribe to calendar. Now, this only will work if you are in the CPS principal or assistant principal role, because it was already this calendar was already shared with CPS principals and assistant principals. In this box, you want to type CPS principal, and you see here CPS principal calendar comes up. You want to click that. When you click that, it gives you all of the calendar settings for this particular calendar and how it shows up for you. Now, if you are like me and you want to know when new events are added or when they're changed, you can scroll down to the other notifications section on this page. You'll click where it says new events. And if you click email here, this means you will get an email every time a new event is added to the CPS principal calendar. You can also select an email notification for every time an event is changed. It's completely up to you. And then once you've made those decisions, you will click this back arrow here, and it will show you everything that is on the page for the CPS principal calendar. So it'll show you everything that's on the calendar. Items that are added to the calendar is all day items. You'll see them in this top section. If there are items that last for multiple days, like Google Palooza, you will see that it'll go across multiple days in the top. And then if there's something that is like time bound within a day, you will see it appear like these items here on the calendar. I hope this was helpful. Have a great one.